The 2009 Tractor Fun Riders, organized by Dale Thompson and Larry Bishop. It's a beautiful day, lots of wonderful tractors and great folks, and just a really exciting day.
Well, here we are at the Floyd staging area. People bringing in these beautiful tractors for the tractor ride today. Lots of them coming in.
This is a history lesson in tractors from new ones to tractors that we've been operating in Floyd County for the last 50, 60, 70 years.
Lining up for the ride. Several beautiful farmhalls here. You see the variety of tractors here. Oop, get back there out of the way. Well, this is an old tractor going in the ride. The old Fords, John Deere's, Massey's, you name it. They got them here.
For much more information on the tractor ride, click to the right of this video next to the LCF photo where it says more information, and you'll see a lot of written information and a lot of documentary about the tractor ride and other interesting things.
Just getting ready to start here, getting some final instructions, and all these tractor drivers in their beautiful equipment here, getting ready to go.
Here's the winner for Novelty Tractors. Everyone had fun with this.
Various people starting up here, various techniques getting their tractors started and going, and everybody's starting up and getting ready for the ride.
This gal drove this really nice John Deere, and her husband drove a different one. There was a family team.
Got them all coming here.
For me, this Minneapolis Moline was one of the more unusual tractors in the tractor ride.
Well, we're in front of the post office here at Floyd, Virginia, and you're seeing a fun tractor ride coming by. $105 tractors here. 105 tractors, all heading through town, and I understand they're going out Franklin Pike and have lunch out at, I believe, the Marvin West facility. And a lot of them coming by. It'll take a while for these folks to get by. Everybody having a good time here, that's for sure.
Well, if you can't drive your own tractor, bring a chair and be a spectator. Beautiful day. It was just a wonderful, fun time for everyone. And I would suggest that next year you bring your own tractor. Let's make this a 150 tractor event next year for Dale and Larry. I'm sure they're going to do another one. It's been fun doing this video. Thank you for watching it. We do appreciate it. You have a nice day, and don't forget the tractor ride.